Hey you guys, so I got a request to make a tutorial on how to do a money cake, and I was going to show you guys how to make the big ones, but it would have been more work, so I decided to use a mini one so you guys can see. So right now I am using Podge, and this is going to be my second layer of Mod Podge. I put a towel down so you don't get the floors all messy and yucky. Now some people lather some and then sprinkle the glitter. I like to lather everything all at once so I can just pour the glitter one time, but you just gotta do what you feel most comfortable. So the glitter I will be using is this. I got this for Michael's for it's all lathered up. Now it's time for the glitter. I glitter on a plate. And I use the whole side. I make sure that I put on 2 layers of glitter so that I cover every inch of the cake. Hey you guys, so I'm making a quick video on how to do a big one, a big money cake. So, glitter from Michaels, which costed $9.99. The first layer of the cake costed $12.49. And the big one costed $16. So I'm gonna take the protector off. So I usually use this type of glue or adhesive to glue the top cake on the bottom cake, but I don't have any. I'm running low, so I'm going to use fabric adhesive. I think any adhesive will be fine. So I'm just gonna make sure it's lathered. I like doing quality work, so my customers get more bang for their buck. So I will let that dry. Hey guys, so the next step to seal the glitter onto the cake is a little bit of Mod Podge and a little bit of water. So I'm just gonna put this on this layer so I can layer the second layer. So the cake looks all white. So I'm doing this cake for a male, so I don't know how I'm going to decorate it, but we will see. Stay tuned. So this is how the cake will look when it's done and all glittery. That's how the real color looks.